Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Off-White Dunk Low. I didn't even think I was going to be able to get these shoes. I thought it was going to be so hard, but I ended up getting them and I'll tell you more in the video.
What are you doing?
I really wanted these shoes, like I said, and I wasn't sure how I was gonna get them. Last Friday, which was the 13th, I was in the car with my friend and I got a message from Sneakers app and it was like, you have exclusive access to the Nike Off-White Dunk Low. Act now. So I was like, oh shit. So basically, I got them or whatever. So I was surprised when picking out the size that it was all ranges. I didn't know really what to expect. So I picked 5.5 and then it was like, okay, waiting. And I'm like, I just was able to secure them. Then it said you got them. So I was super happy, but I was confused because I was like, I got them, but I don't know what shoe I got. So I really wanted to get a pair of like the lighter ones. I did not want to get the black ones. There's something against the black ones, but I perceived they were not my favorite. So I was going through Twitter and I was looking and I was like, okay, let me get an idea of what I'm gonna get. So it wasn't until yesterday that I was able to get my shoes. Okay, so the box is super similar to the Off-White waffle racers, which I reviewed, and I'll link below so you guys can see it if you want. But the box is really similar with like the holes and stuff around it. It's a completely different box. I personally like this box better, but yeah. So like I said, there's the holes in it, and then right here, it shows you like what number you got, and it clicked off 16, which I thought 16. And yeah, so this is the top of the box, Nike check and like Off-White logo, and it says team, location, style number, season, code. Alright, so we have our Off-White paper, similar to like the Off-White shoes I reviewed too, just regular paper. And then we have our white paper on the inside, and we have our shoe. I'm so excited. The shoes look the same, so I'm only gonna take out, well, I'm gonna take out both. Alright, so I just want to say these shoes were $180, and so with tags they were about $193. On the box it says $150, so I'm assuming maybe they were supposed to be $150, but I don't know. I got charged $193. So yeah. So this is our shoe. Love, love, love. So I love this shoe. Right off the bat, this is really similar to the shoes that I was looking at that I said that I wanted this pair. But let me just get into the shoe. The shoe that I got is a 5.5. I was able to get 5.5. I have lot 16 out of 50. And so lot 1 through 20 are the shoes that have the hairy suede and canvas mix, and the other 30 don't. So let me tell you about the shoe. So around the toe box is the hairy suede canvas mix, and it is gray, which goes all the way up into our eyelids, and that is gray too with the hairy suede canvas mix. And then our Nike swoosh is the gray too, and all the way to the back, even the heel, is the hairy suede canvas mix in gray. Now we do have leather in between, so on our upper we have the white leather, and our toe box we have the white leather. We have 2 pairs of laces in this shoe. The first set of laces is just white, and then the second pair is like a dark aqua, like kind of green, outdoor, like green, forest green mixed with like blue. The color got me like a little confused. Our tongue is like a royal blue with like a super cool cushion, and like the top of the tongue is yellow. It's like a foam. And what I think is really cool is that the Nike tag is not on the like top of the tongue, it's on the side. Our insole is blue, and then our zip tie is blue, but it's a little bit lighter than the royal blue. And it says Off-White, and that's the symbols, and then it says lot 16 out of 50. Our second pair of laces, they have eyelids as well. The eyelids are more so around the toe box, and they go through the upper, and those eyelids are gray. The way he did these laces I really like, because like I keep referring to my Off-White waffle racers, it was like double laces, so you can tie literally your laces together. They're on the same eyelids, and these kind of are not. To me it's kind of like zigzag. Now the laces do, at a certain part of the shoe, the laces do overlap the white pair laces, but I still think that's fire. And the lining of our shoe is a little like, it's like cream white. Our sole is the same cream color that I just said that I saw in the lining. And then the The bottom of our shoe is gray with the Nike symbol on the bottom. And then right on the side of the shoe, it says 16 out of 50. I'm just happy that I didn't have to pay resale to get these because the resale is out of this world. But like I said, I really like this shoe. I think my favorite part of the shoe is the second pair of laces. I really like this color, even though I really cannot think of the name. I really like this color, and I like that the zip tie and the tongue are blue, but they're not the same shade, so they kind of contrast one another, and I really like that. I really like this shoe. I don't have any dislike. I really wanted this shoe, and I'm so happy that I was able to get it because I know a lot of people weren't able to get it. And I'm happy that it's actually one that, like a lot that I actually wanted, because I really wanted this lot. The one that I wanted was just, I think it was just a lighter blue, like the color was a lighter blue, but it doesn't matter. I'm still grateful to like have this shoe and be able to get my hands on it and to do a review. I would definitely recommend getting this shoe. I definitely do feel like it is worth, sorry y'all, but I do think it's worth paying resale price. I know it's super high, but this is like a classic shoe, and there's only 50 of the colorways, which I feel like it's cool. Like, I really like this shoe, and I do recommend that you guys go and get it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys like the shoe, and I hope that I was able to give you really good